Hi, my name is Dawn Davis and I previously went to Nosweithiau High School. I am studying Level 3 Sports Development and Coaching on Brecon campus. The facilities on Brecon campus are up to a high standard and they have all the equipment that I need to be able to pass my course. Due to COVID, Brecon campus have put in all the correct restrictions to keep us all safe. I feel safe on this campus as they have now gone and put 2-metre gaps in between. They've got a one-way system and they've got tapes all in between the equipment so we know not to go in there while other people are using it. I went to open evening and I found that the lecturer really helped me understand the course. He went and told me what I'd be doing in my course and how that would help me in the future with my future career. I recommend coming to this college because I have all the facilities I'll need to fulfill my course. The lecturers help me with everything I need and we have the freedom to go get food down in town. My future plans are to go into the sport field and this course will help me do so.